So there's some additional administrative issues that the author goes into. And there was a law also introduced called the notice of violation, and he listed as a administrative hammer used to ensure compliance. If a deficiency is found, farmers have a strict 14-day repair window. If a defect allows for the possibility of entry or escape, it must be fixed immediately. And so I suspect that if one of these four options isn't implemented, this notice of violation goes on.